In this video, I'll guide you through how you can convert personal account to a brand account on YouTube. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. Let's convert this personal YouTube channel to a brand account. At the beginning, you need to open YouTube on a browser, then type youtube.com/account. Now click on Add and Manage your channel. Then this page will open. Now click on Create a channel. Now type a channel name here and click on Create Channel. Now you need to wait for a few seconds to create the new channel. Once you create a new brand YouTube channel, then you need to migrate the old personal channel to this new one. Now again, sign into the old personal YouTube channel. Again, search for youtube.com/account. Then select your old personal channel and click on View Advanced Settings. Then move channel to a brand account. Then select a new channel which you just create and click on Replace. Then this can pop-up will appear on your screen and check mark on I understand and wish to proceed and click on Delete channel. You don't need to worry about this. By through this process, your old channel will migrate to this new account. Let's click on Delete channel. Then this can pop-up will appear on your screen and click on Move channel. Now again, wait for a few seconds to move your personal YouTube channel to this new brand account. Then you will see you finally convert your personal YouTube channel to a brand account. I hope you found this video useful.